part 2 of Unit 3 of Advanced Java Programming. Unit 3 is Event Handling. So in this event handling second part contains the event sources. A source is an object that generates an event. This occurs when the internal state of that object changes in some way. Sources may generate more than one type of event. A source must register the listeners in order for the listener to receive the notification about a specific type of event. Each type of event has its own registration method. Here is the general form: public void add type listener. Type listener is a parameter. Type listener and its object as a parameter. So here type is the name of the event and EL is the reference of the event listener. For example, the method that registers a keyboard event listener is called a add key listener. The method that registers the mouse motion listener is called add mouse motion listener. So source is the object that generates the event. Source, the listeners will register to the source. So how to make the registration? Using this add type listener. So key listener, add key listener. Mouse motion listener, add mouse motion listener. So here type is the name of the event and EL is the reference of the event listener. For example, to remove a keyboard listener, you would call the remove key listener. The methods that add and remove the listeners are provided by the source that generates the event. For example, the component class provides the method to add and remove the keyboard and mouse event listeners. So event sources, an event is a source. Event is a source, the object that generates the event. For example, if you click a button, an action event object is generated. The object of the action event class has all the corresponding information about this. Here, button is the event source. Various event sources can be button, checkbox, text box, scroll bars, and so on. Event listener, the task of handling the event is carried out by event listener. When an event occurs, first of all, an event object of the appropriate type is created. This object is then passed to a listener. A listener must implement the interface that has a method for event handling. The java.awt.event package contains the definitions of all the event classes and the listener interface. To handle the event handling programming, first of all, you must import the package java.awt.event package. This package contains the listener interface. So what is the interface? Interface is a kind of class. It contains only constant values and the method declaration. The method in the interface are only declared and not implemented. The methods do not have any body, only declaration part is there. The interface are used to define behavior on occurrence of the event that can be implemented by any class anywhere in the class hierarchy. Event classes are the classes responsible for handling the event in the event handling mechanism. The event object is a class, is the top of the event class hierarchy. It belongs to the java.utl package, and another event classes are present in the java.awt.event package. The getSource and toString methods are of the event object class. there is a getID method belonging to java.awt.event package. For example, if a keyboard event occurs, you can find out whether the event was key press or key release from the event object. See here, event classes. The parent most class of the event classes is the event object. This event object is having the two methods, so getSource and toString. These two methods are present in event object class. And next, AWT event, java.awt package, this contains the one more method, that is in getID. This is a type of, and all other components will be the subclass of AWT event. We will see here. So event object is the parentmost class and AWT event is a subclass of event object, and all other AWT subclasses based on the events used in the delegation event model. So action event, adjustment event, component event, container event, focus event, input event, item event, key event, mouse wheel event, text event, window event. These event classes are present in java.awt.event package. That will complete.